I like to put stuff online.
So one of the biggest things I was worried about over the weekend and coming up to now Thursday would be that if what is going to happen with the crypto bill. I was hoping that the crypto bill was going to be passed because if it wouldn't legitimately make crypto a legitimate, secure way and means of barter and trade and using it for transactional purposes to pay off goods and services, debt, you name it. So now you see that most stocks now are over leveraging with their cash on hand and they're putting it in towards crypto because they have obviously the means of knowing where the future is going to hold with the market because of obviously they're the market makers. Well, we got the news today, the crypto passed, and that's a bullish sign for SBET here. So I just made a video about it last night, and I made a video about it again today. It went up $8 since my video last night. I told you, this is what I do for a living. This isn't a brag. It's just I put in the long hours. It's literally 12:38 at night, and I'm finding actual price targets using Fibonacci and my EMA 20 strategy. On top of that, I'm using financials to find if there's any outstanding debt. There's warrants to be issued. There is any C filings for dilutions and just any incredulous things that I may come upon. I will research it and use it towards my advantage, and I would reveal that to you guys. Well, SBET, this is going to go towards the $100 range based on what Fibonacci is telling me on the daily. I told you yesterday using this EMA 20 strategy that once this green candle hits this EMA 20, it's going to be giving us a confirmation for a bullish uptrend, and it did it right here. And look at that. Or actually, sorry, not here. It did it right here. This is the daily. It mooned past it, so we're headed towards an uptrend here. What do I see it going to? I'm stuck on 80 still. I like 80, but I want to give you a little bit of an overview real quick of what this bill, how it's good for us. The industry is pushing this. The crypto industry is pushing for this bill because they want to be legitimized in Washington, like I just told you, so they could do trades, barters. It actually can be a means of security. So once a company picks it up, they can use it for exchange, and it only helps them companies out moving forward. That means they're going to have to be known to be following by SEC regulations. They can't do anything crazy. You're not going to have any more hot tuable crap that's going to go on. So anyways, show some love. I wanted us to make up a follow-up video on SBT because I know I really have a strong feeling it's going to go to 80 relatively quick. Subscribe to the YouTube. It shows a lot of love to me. As I said, I do this for a living. If you come over to the Discord, it's $10.99 a month, and I put my money where my mouth is. If you don't like it within the first month, I will give you a refund. Subscribe to the YouTube. You can see all my YouTube plays that I put on here the most recent. They've all moaned. They've all did well. And like I said, I just put my money where my mouth is. I don't try to be a scammer that hopefully one day gets rich off YouTube or Discord. That's not the case. Trust me. I want to get rich, and I want to get successful off my own portfolio and not the paying of others. But obviously, I'm providing a service through Discord, a news bot, 6 other alerters. The list goes on, and I feel like a $10.99 is more than a fair price for those different services. So, like I said, SBET 80. Please subscribe to the YouTube. It really helps out a lot. It gives me that motivation, seeing that people are actually liking the content. Because technically I really don't need to make content. I'm fine doing what I'm doing now, but it's nice knowing that I have a crew behind me that believes in the material, sees the hard work that's being put in, and is looking forward to other videos in the future. I love you guys. I know that stock trading is very stressful, and I am right there with you. I love handling things under pressure, and right now we're in a pressure cooker getting ready to do a burst, and we're going to go to 80ville. All right, so you guys take care.